The Veeam portfolio of data resilience products are secure by design and follow zero trust principles. Put simply, zero trust assumes that no user, device, or application should be trusted implicitly. Instead, every request must be verified and validated before being granted access. By implementing zero trust principles into data platforms and environments, organizations enhance their security and become more proactive and with a granular approach to data protection. What does zero trust for data resilience look like? To access data, the principle is to never trust, always verify. Every request, regardless of its source, is subject to strict authentication, authorization, and continuous verification. Next is least privilege. Users and integrated applications are granted only the minimum necessary access to perform their job functions. That's a key zero trust principle. In the case of data protection, implement granular permissions for backup and database administrators. Segmentation is another key principle. The backup management system, or platform, and the backup storage systems should remain separate and isolated in different domains. Access to either system should be limited, something that you can do easily with Veeam products. Always assume a breach. Treat data and backups as potential targets. Implement immutable backups, backups that cannot be changed or altered. By applying these zero trust principles, your organization is well on its way to becoming more data resilient.